Sohail has entered. So of course there's been so much grace between the two of you. Does it become difficult or was it always easy for you?
No, are you mad? Which divorce is easy? Listen, whether we like it or not, we are connected for life. We share 2 children, and our boys are common ground, and they have brought us together. And just because I've divorced him doesn't erase those 25 years of my life. Yeah. They're still my family. Because I haven't shared space with Sohail in close quarters in many years. He was so nervous. He's like, have you all gone mad? Still, I'm a helicopter mom. And I enjoyed every minute of it. Like when Nirvan came along, everybody knows, मेरा पीछा नहीं छोड़ता था. His finger used to be through my belt loop and I loved it. He slept in my bed till he was 10 years old. Nirvan, I think, kind of lived through a lot of the separation point. That time, Johan was too young. So he comprehends better than Johan did at that point. Johan did have a lot of anger, and everybody knows children's anger comes out first on the mother. So he completely took me to the cleaners for a while, but he's also settled now. I mean, quite frankly, when we were separated, that first signing, and he came to me and he says, I'm going to stay. Can I ask you something? Can I go and stay with Papa today? I said, why, Baba? He said, no, Mama, you look fine. Papa's very sad. Why are you looking fine? And I felt very guilty.
When a show like Alliance comes up, you feel that the entire कि वो माहौल चेंज हो जाता है और आपको लगता है कि चलो भरोसा वापस आ रहा है रियलिटी शोज पे बिकॉज इट डजंट एक्चुअली हाईलाइट कचरा it doesn't highlight Kalesh, it actually highlights intelligentsia, and I feel that there's somebody who's going inside the show as one of the contestants now who has amazing alliances in life because she's an amazing person. Thank you so much Seema for doing this. क्या हाल है?
बस nervous हूँ.
You are nervous? Why?
What do you mean? मुझे बंद करके रखने वाले हैं. I'm very nervous and no phone, nothing, digital detox, man.
But you are not a phone person at all. Kindly sharing my screenshots of the chats where the replies come after like 7 to 8 business working days.
Sorry. No, I am very bad. This week, though, my phone has rung so much. I think I'm happy to actually, एक हफ्ते के बाद तो थोड़ा दे देना.
What prompted you to take this up? You've done a follow reality, which is one of my most favorite shows. This is a confined reality, captive reality. It's and the first that you're doing. So what actually prompted you?
Actually what happened was that reality shows were coming to me a lot. And I was going on, I said, ye kuch to baat hai ki ghadi they're calling me. There's a universe is sending me some sign. And of all the reality, I think this one I was still झिझक के आई एम वेरी नर्वस लाइक आई सेड ना वो जो हलाल का बकरा लेके जा रहे हो ना वैसे मुझे लग रही है बट आई सेड आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ द कंटेस्टेंट्स on a personal level and they're lovely people and it's all about the game, it's not personal.
Yeah.
So the thing is that it's not personal, it's all about the game and I am a mom of 2 boys. तो मैंने खेला तो बहुत है.
I want to understand that. Have you already watched the show? Yes. What is the thing that actually, who are the contestants you are liking on the show?
Minnie and Nikhil are killing it.
I think Minnie is
But between Minnie and Nikhil, to be honest, Nikhil is a bit, I mean, pocheli cheese hai. Pochela cheese hai, like that. But Minnie's playing with a lot of, like you say, heart and grace and a clean game, and I like that. There are a lot of people I like on the show. To be honest, they're all very nice. I love Ruhi. I actually loved Ravi ji. I'm so sad he's gone. You have no idea. I was waiting to meet him.
But which team would you like to be a part of? You still don't know because you've not entered, but which team would you like to be a part of? Would you have your alliances with?
Legends,
which is Minnie's team. Minnie, because you spoke, Minnie is such a strong-headed woman and I love the fact that she's also a girl's girl. She's a complete girl's strong female independence, which I completely resonate with. Currently, I'll be very honest, I'm rooting for Minnie, Zaid, Neeti. I think they're playing, that group is playing.
Neeti is very cute, yeah. She's also having fun, but she's also damn cute.
But what will be your strategy on a reality show? On Follow Reality, you are yourself.
Yeah.
Everybody's loved the spunk.
Yeah.
Here also you'll be yourself, but there was no games there.
Yeah.
There will be games here. What will be your strategy?
You know, to be honest, I'm not going in with strategy as such. Planning doesn't work for me. I've never followed that in my life. Once I'm put in the situation, I will be myself. Whatever naturally comes to me is what I'm going to do.
A lot of people will, like you said, that you know a lot of people in the alliance, like we saw today, Sohail has entered. So, of course, there's been so much grace between the two of you, and everybody who knows you guys from a personal level of the family, there's always been grace. There's never been like any kind of comments, right? How do you come to that point? How do you reach that point? Does it become difficult, or was it always easy for you?
No, are you mad? Which divorce is easy? Which, listen, you go through your stages and then you find your peace and you find your common ground. And listen, whether we like it or not, we are connected for life. We share two children. And our boys are our common ground and they have brought us together. And, just because I've divorced him doesn't erase those 25 years of my life.
Yeah.
They're still my family.
Yeah. But you've always shared a nice friendship with him. And on the show also, when you are going in, that will be a point of conversation. Like, I am looking forward to watching both of you being so dignified, one being very silent and one being the chatter putter. It will be a good mix, right?
Yeah.
That's possibly also what made you click for so many years.
Actually, you know what? Now you have made me more nervous because I haven't shared space with Sohail in close quarters in many years. So it will be, obviously, it's new for me. But like I said, it's like your old, I mean, I've known him practically my whole life, kind of a situation. So I know him so well. But yeah, it'll be interesting to kind of see who he's making alliances with. I'm dying to see that. कि इसने किस के साथ alliance बनाया?
किस के साथ alliance बनाया
किस के साथ, am I approving or not?
That's true.
Yeah.
But I think he will try to save you and you will try to save him.
No, he has my back. I know that. Like, I think one of the last things he said to me before going in is that whatever happens, don't get bullied. I said, well, hello, you are there, na?
Do you get bullied?
No, I don't get bullied, but I'm not look, I can fight, but the thing is that that's not me anymore. The only person I've actually fought with on Bollywood Wives is Bhavna, because I've known her my whole life. I can't fight with new people like that. It's not my personality. I've fought with these people I've known my whole life. You know what I'm saying? But like that chillane wala fight only Bhavna and I have had.
But who from Bollywood Wives would you want on this show if hypothetically there was a choice and you wanted somebody as your alliance?
Neelam is my alliance, dude. She needs to be on this show, but वो कभी नहीं करेगी. Life में नहीं करेगी.
क्यों?
Leaving her phone and being disconnected 15 days, no chance.
What if Mahip or Bhavna ka?
Why not?
Who will you make alliances with?
I mean, they are my alliances. I'd make alliances with both.
What was Nirvan's reaction? Because Nirvan is also, honestly, he's one of the kindest kids
He's
you
a
will
gentle
meet.
soul.
He is like, yeah, he is a gentle soul, and he's one of the nicest human beings. He'll go and cater to everybody whenever he meets anybody. And kudos to both of you for giving him that kind of upbringing. But he's also very, very sensible. He also speaks less, but he speaks sense, which I keep telling you, right? What was his words of wisdom for you before mom is going on the show?
He was so nervous. He's like, have you all gone mad? And he says, his only concern, if you talk about me, do not talk about me. I said, Nirvan, there's nothing personal on the show. At least see it. But like, he looks to me for guidance. Like, actually for this show, he said he was coming to me to discover what he feels about the show, if you understand what I mean.
Yes.
Like, he was like, he wanted me to tell him how to feel. But I had to give him that little bit of confidence that because he was nervous, his dad hasn't done something like this either. I had to give him confidence that, you know what, it's always nice to try something new. And that is how I've approached my entire life. Like, I want to look back and say, कि मैंने ये भी किया, ये भी किया, ये भी किया, ये भी किया. I want to have the...
Yeah.
So, this was just the best platform and the best show for me to have this experience at this stage of my life.
But there is no age or stage to start that experience, right? Like, honestly speaking, yeah, absolutely. Do you feel like you've missed out on a lot when you were mothering two kids also?
No, I had that experience as well. I did not miss out on anything. I was a doting helicopter mom. I still am a helicopter mom. And I enjoyed every minute of it. Like when Nirvan came along, everybody knows, mera picha nahi chhodta tha. His finger used to be through my belt loop and I loved it. He slept in my bed till he was 10 years old. I had to kick him out. But you know what? My boys have always been. Recently, someone sent me some videos also of Johan when he was a baby. He used to like hang on my legs. But I honestly, I enjoyed that part of my kids.
But you still do.
I still do.
Is that app still there?
No.
On their phones?
Oh, 360. I've been asking Johan to put it now. But he says there are much newer and better apps, but I don't trust him. Because wo mujhe kabhi bhi, he's my baap. Yeah.
Between the two of them, who's more like you and who's more like Sohail?
Nirvan is a lot like me. A lot like me. He is, I mean, you know how I used to be. He's still to come out of his, he's confident, but he's a very sensitive, how do I say, compassionate boy. And I would like to think he gets that. Even I am, to a large
You're very
extent, compassionate. So I think I would like to think he gets that from me. But he's a lot like me. Johan is a little bit naughty. Yeda ben ki peda khilane wala.
Also, it becomes so important because you said something beautiful that no divorce is easy, but when you're co-parenting and when you have two kids, things become easier. Like at least you have to make things look easier for
You
the
have to
kids.
work at it. It has to be, you have to fall into a rhythm because they didn't do anything to deserve this. You are, as it is, tearing apart their family. The least you can do is make it comfortable for them.
We saw Nirvan reacting to it because he's grown up, right? But when these things were happening, he was also young. He was pretty young, honestly. Do you think, like, did they ever come and question it? Did they ever come and ask you anything which possibly could have been a difficult question, but you had to answer it in a very compassionate?
Many difficult questions. I have answered many difficult questions with both my boys. Nirvan, I think, kind of lived through a lot of the separation point. That time, Johan was too young. So he comprehends better than Johan did at that point. Johan did have a lot of anger, and everybody knows children's anger comes out first on the mother. So he completely took me to the cleaners for a while, but he's also settled now.
But what was the most difficult question that you have been asked by anybody?
By anybody or my kids?
Kids and others.
You know, I mean, there's so many now what comes to mind. I mean, Johan did once ask me, I think I was going somewhere, I was going to work or something, and his dad was not, you know, he was a bit very low. We were both low after we got divorced. I mean, quite frankly, when we were separated, you know, that first signing. And he came to me and he says, I'm going to stay. Can I ask you something? Can I go and stay with Papa today? I said, why, Baba? He said, no, Mama, you look fine. Papa is very sad. Why are you looking fine? And I felt very guilty. It's just that I was trying to keep it together. You know, you can't fall apart around your kids because then, you know, you reflect your emotions on them. But I'll never forget that moment. And I felt very guilty.
But I have to tell you that you are a wonderful human being. And that's what counts. And so is he, to be very honest. I am shocked. You're surprised. I'm shocked. I thought that it's one of the PR stories that is going out that Sohail Khan is going. But when I actually saw him, I was like, what?
No, I'm very proud of him. And actually, the catalyst in this was Johan. He was the one, because I was having this conversation with him and Johan was so excited. And he was like, no, you all have to go and, you know what, win the game. And he's been following it and watching it. And yeah.
But has anything changed in you as a mother? Because now your kids have grown up, you know, on a, like you said that you've been a helicopter mom. Yeah. I think you continue to be and you will be. But it's a good thing also. I love mama's boys.
Listen, I'm 50 and my mother's still a helicopter. When the helicopters are circling, she can't talk to me for a few days. She'll ask everybody my atta pata.
But is there any change that you have noticed in the last 2 years, especially as a human being becoming the person that you're becoming today?
I think with me, I'm less. I've become a little bit more fearless. That would be the wrong way to. I was always a very fearful person. I think my fears have kind of
reduced.
Yeah, they're receding. they're going back. You know what I'm saying? So I think I'm kind of ready to try and look at life differently. And I think I've like a lot of fears, like log kya sochenge, log kya kahenge, can I do this, can I not do this. Now it's all noise. Now I just go with my gut. Like I just live my life on my terms, and I take it's an instinct that comes to me, yes or no.
My final question would be that do you think it's also got to do with the alliance that you have in your actual real life today?
No, not at all.
Not at all.
No.
But all the best, Seema. Go kill it. I want to see
Who do you think should be my alliance in this house?
Mini, because I genuinely feel that you guys are very comforting, okay, and spunky at the same time, but you guys don't degrade other people to show your spunk. That's
But she can strategize like I can't.
so that's why
Yeah. I better piggyback on her.
I feel you will be fantastic with Legends also, and I feel that you will be fantastic with Kings also.
Yeah?
Yeah, with the Kings also, like with Vanshaj, Arman. I think they'll listen to you, and they are also a very good bunch, Although I don't like Nikhil so much on the show, so that's my not like I don't like personally, but I just feel like it's very.
I feel he's
keeps
over
switching.
strategizing.
Yeah, that's something. I don't think. I hope you are not going to do that.
Have you met me? Yeah.
But all the best. Go
Thank
kill
you.
it and go win it.
Thank
for yourself, for Nirvan, Johan, and for all of us.
Thank you. Thanks. Uh-huh. These are alliance badges for you. You are my real life alliance.
That is true, though.
Yeah.
I should give it to my real life alliance, which is clearly nowhere in the vicinity, but never mind. Thank you so much for this, and all the best.
Thanks.